What up guys, it's your chronically sexy girl Lauren. Yeah, I was giving a bit of a go of doing my own theme song, but I don't think that's gonna be it. I'm here today because I'm going to do a YouTube tag called What's in My Bag tag. Well, essentially, I just go through my bag, pick out stuff, and say this is what's in my bag. I have no idea who would actually want to watch this, but for the one view that definitely is on there, thanks mum for watching. Oh, before we continue, okay, I sort of don't ever want to transfer bags because I don't see the point of why we transfer bags. I don't understand it. Why do we do this to ourselves? If someone came up to me and said, Lauren, what do you find more traumatic? Transferring your bag every time you want to go out or having 8 bags of fluid shoved up your ass? I would say transferring my bag every time I want to go out. And I can relate to both of those scenarios. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of where I stand with this. So, this is my bag. I got this from Witchery. It was half price. Yay! So let's see what's in my bag. No, it's still not working. So I'm just gonna pull stuff out. Wallet. Dickney. Dickney? Is that a thing? DKNY. Let's go with that. What does that stand for? It has my most precious document in here, my PBS. That basically means I can get free drugs. I am broke. These are my anti-rejection drugs. They're meant to stop my lungs from saying, oh, we don't want to be in here anymore, but they already did that, so thanks drugs. I have cut out the first tablet and put a ring around it, put some washi tape on it and labeled it TAC for tacrolimus. Anybody can use this, even if you don't have a chronic illness and say you're not on drugs. Everyone self-medicates anyway these days, so try it. Good. This is Creon Fort. Basically, I take these before I eat, otherwise I will spend my life on the toilet. We don't want that, no. I cover over all my drugs with washi tape because it looks pretty. The exception of transferring your bag is when you're going out to a formal type event and you need like a small little clutch. This is not going to fit, but this is. So this is a mint container that I've actually just decorated. It fits my tablets in perfectly and it's the perfect size for those like little clutch bags. Inside this wallet, a mini charger. Because you're never going to know when you need to charge your phone. And if you get stuck in hospital or anything, you will always have a charged phone. Another mint container. This actually has mints in them, not drugs. More lip gloss. Floss for dental hygiene. More lip gloss. We always keep pain drugs by our side. We keep them. My phone. I love these and they always have tangles. A lot of people have issues with these. I don't. I think, you know, let them run free. If they get up to this point and you're like stuck under here, then I'm like, we'll deal with it then. But until then, let them have some fun. Bottle opener. In the little zippy section, I've got, you know, women's stuff and more women's stuff for a bit of fresh air. Hand cream, because my hands get so ridiculously dry from all the drugs. Documents for blood tests and x-rays and lung functions when I go to clinic. USB. Sunglasses, they're prescription because I can't see, I'm blind as a bat. I usually wear glasses, but I've got contacts in at the moment. Oh, hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. I find the thank you hand sanitizers are actually the best types of hand sanitizers you can have, purely because of the durability of their packaging. And then every time I run out, I just get the big mama pack and pump it in. Ventolin, because I think my donor may have had asthma. Tissues, because they just come in handy, especially if you have some phlegm. Notepad and pen. This is a notebook with my favorite quote on it from one of my favorite movies. You should know it. If you don't, Google it. I always like to have a notebook on standby just in case I have an idea or something. In here, we have all of the cards and rewards cards that I never use. I always carry them in my bag and I always forget I have them. Maybe that explains why I'm broke. Insulin pen. For those of you who don't know what an insulin pen is, basically when your sugars get high, when you have diabetes, you take this, or you should take it before they get high. Okay, let's just say it's for diabetes. I'm really bad at explaining it. If anyone can explain diabetes well, comment below because I can't. Glasses wiper for dirty glasses. Contraption to check your sugars. This is very important if you have diabetes. This is a sugar checker. That's what I call it. There's a more technical name, I'm sure. Press this down on your finger, you get a bit of blood, put it on here, and then it'll go and it'll come up with your number of what your sugar level is, and then it will tell you whether you need to take insulin or not. More drugs. Alright, well that was it. That was fascinating for you all. So there you have it. That was the what's in my bag tag. On the outside, looks like a normal bag. Inside, you can tell it's a little bit of my life. It's a metaphor for my body because I look normal on the outside, but inside it's a mess. So this is kind of a new thing I'm trying out, doing this type of vlogging stuff. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know, don't be a dick about it. Just comment and say, oh, you know, Lauren, I don't really want to see this stuff again. And I'll be like, okay, guys, okay. Remember, you're not alone, and I'm sending my love. Mwah.